To get the file you want, you need to download 3 apps and open each one for 30 seconds. In some cases, you have to fill out a form. The offers you see may be different in your case depending on the country you live in. After you do this, the file will be automatically unlocked. It takes a lot of time and effort to make this video and to keep downloads checked and links updated, so by doing this it helps me to keep everything up and running. For the first offer, I have to fill out a form. As you can see, it's very fast, it only takes 30 seconds. After you finish, you refresh the page and you can see there are 2 apps left to do. For the second task, I have to download this game, install it and open it for 30 seconds. If you like the game, you can keep it or you can delete it, it's your choice. So after you play for a little bit, you close the app, refresh the page, and you can see there is 1 app left to install or fill out a form. In this case, I have to fill out a form. It's very fast, in 30 seconds you fill out the form. And then in the end you refresh the page and the file is unlocked.